Sean again here from Minard Solution Room Weyburn. We're going to go over making sure that your AC is clear of debris and that there is no blockages, because this will cause your AC to work much harder and it will cause it to cut out sooner than it should or not cool your cabin of your trailer. So at that point, you can just do these half turn on these grommets, pull down your AC, and then inspect and make sure that the dust guards are clean. If they're dirty, just take them out, run them under some water in your sink or with some soap as well. Let them dry thoroughly. Install it back up into place. Ensure that everything lines up nice and snug. Push your tabs back in, quarter turn, and fire up your AC and continue on. If this is not cooling any longer or you're having a problem, have a technician service it and check it to see if the AC needs cleaning on the outside or maybe replacement.